Okay. Now, first 1 to 5. Which one I solve? Reply on me 6, 9. First 1 to 5. First 1 to 5. Not possible all. That's why. No doubt in 1 to 5. Everyone, please reply. Reply only in chat. Okay. Please reply admin. Please reply on admin. Please reply on admin. Okay. Now, 6 to 9. Sorry, 6 to 10. Or 6 to 10. Ninth one. Eighth one also. 6 to 10. All the one. Okay. 6 1. A plus bi form of. Read the question. 6 1. A plus bi form of. Phi I upon 1 minus I into 2 minus I into 3 minus I. Say, convert this into A plus bi form. First, as I said earlier, if you have any imaginary number in denominator, first try to convert into normal form. So first multiply all the brackets. So we got 5i upon again 1 minus I 2 into 2 minus I. So we got 2 minus 2i minus 1i minus 3i again plus I square. Same way में 3 minus I remain as it is. Pi I upon again 2 I square, that means minus 1. So 2 minus 1 becomes 1 minus 3i into 3 minus I. Is equal to pi I upon again multiply 3 minus I into minus 9i. So we got minus 10i minus 3i into I minus I. So minus minus plus 3i square. So pi I upon 3 minus 3. 3i square becomes minus 1. So 3 minus 3i square. So 3 gets cancelled. 3 gets cancelled. Again, same way. Pi I upon minus 10i. I gets cancelled. So your answer is -1/2. Your option is D. Your option is D. Okay. Now go for sixth one. Sixth one. Sorry, seventh one. Seventh one. 1 minus I whole raised to 4. Same way, if you have any power more than 2, so first convert the whole equation into square form because you have a only formula for a whole square. So first 1 minus I whole square. So 1 minus 2I plus I square. So again 1 and I square cancel out each other. So minus 2I whole square. So 4I square. So minus 4. This is your option A. Option A. Now eighth one. Eighth one. I raised to 17 whole raised to SN bracket square. Okay. Again, first convert into square form or fourth power because आपको ये पता है. First, I is equal to I square is equal to -1. I cube is equal to minus I raised to 4 becomes I. Okay. So adjust all these 4 formulas power. यहाँ पे 16. तो 16 हम लिख सकते हैं. 16 I raised to 16. I raised to 16 into I. 17 को हमने split किया. I raised to 16 into I. Minus same way I raised to 34. तो again क्या आ जाएगा? इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 1 I square raised to 17. Okay, so is equal to I raised to 16 becomes, so I raised to 4 into I minus 1 raised to 17 whole square. Got it? Got it? Again, as you know, I raised to 4 becomes 1. So 1 into 1 raised to 4 is also 1. 1 into I. 1/-1. So -1. -1 raised to 17. -1. -1 whole square. So again, -1. -1 raised to 17. -1 raised to 17. So -1. So I minus plus 1 whole square. Same way में 1 plus I whole square becomes 1 plus 2I plus I square. So again 1 and I square gets cancelled. Your answer is 2I, which is your option B. Okay?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
don't speak. If you have a doubt, then reply only and chat. Okay. Now, go for ninth one. Go for ninth one. Yes. X plus iy into 2 plus 3i is equal to 4 only. Okay. Is equal to 4. Yes, Tanisha. Unmute yourself and tell.
મેમ આજે 9 10 જે છે એમાં તો પાયરામે કીધું હતું કે આવી રીતે સમ સોલ્વ નહીં કરવાનું ડાયરેક્ટ સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ કરીને જોઈ લેવાનું જે આવે તો મેમ તો એ ઈઝી પડે ને એમસીક્યુ માં તો
Yes, for MCQ purpose, it is the most easiest way to solve. Okay, but you know the original method. Tanisha, am I right?
હા મેમ પેલું મલ્ટીપ્લાય ખબર છે
हाँ, okay, okay. So, ninth में किसी को doubt है? Okay,
No.
because I think ninth has no option. Given option में से कोई भी नहीं है, तो वही देख लेते हैं. Okay, x plus iy. So multiply x with this. So 2x plus 3xi. Same way I को multiply कर लेते हैं y. So 2yi plus 3y I square is equal to 4. Therefore, 2x plus 3xi plus 2yi minus 3y is equal to 4. Now, separate out imaginary part and real part. So, two x minus 3y plus 3x
Hello, ma'am.
plus 2y into I, 4 plus 0i. Yes. Who's speaking?
Ma'am, in question, 4 plus I is given.
Sorry.
Ma'am, in question 9, x plus iy into 2 plus 3i is equals to 4 plus I is given.
4 plus I is given. Okay. Oh, thank you. Lower down your hands. Kanisa, you want to say something?
No, ma'am.
So lower down your hand. Okay. Now, comparing real part and imaginary part. So, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. Equation 1, equation 2. Okay. Now, using elimination method, using eliminating method, हम कर लेंगे ये आगे. First, y cancel out कर लेंगे. So multiply equation 1 by 2. So we get 4x minus 6y is equal to 8. Same way, multiply equation 2 by 3. 9x plus 6y is equal to 3. Cancel out. 13x is equal to 11. Therefore, x is equal to 11 by 13. And y is equal to, for y, substitute कर दें. Now, substitute x in equation 2. Therefore, 3, 11 by 13 minus 2 plus 2y is equal to 1. Therefore, 2y is equal to 1 minus 33 by 13 is equal to 20 minus 20 by 13. Therefore, y is equal to minus 10 by 13. Your option is the value of x and y is 11 by 13 and 10 by 13. That's why there is no option. So option D, correct your option D does not exist. या फिर none of this, none of this, none of this. और original answer लिख लो. Write your original answer. Okay. Now, next slide. Now, 10th one. 10. Are you able to solve? 10th one. Now 10 to 15. Reply in chat. 10 to 15. Which one I solve? Please reply in chat. Okay. 12 one. Only 12. Please reply. 12. Any else? Okay. 12. Here. Which one? Only 12. Okay. 12th one. Speak. 3x minus 2y I 2 plus I whole square is equal to 10 into 1 plus I. What we want to find out? Then value of x and y from the options. So which one is better? Plus substitute the values and get the answer. But solve करते हैं. So first 3x minus 2yi simplify. So we get 4 plus 4i plus I square is equal to 10 plus 10i. Therefore, 3x minus 2yi into 4 minus 1, 3, 3 plus 4i, 10 plus 10i. Again multiply. Again multiply. So, we got 3, 9x plus 12xi minus 6y by minus 8y I square 10 plus 10i. Therefore, 9x plus 12xi minus 6yi plus 8y 10 plus 10i. Therefore, real part 9x plus 8y plus I 12x minus 6y 10 plus 10i by comparing we get 9x plus 8y 10 equation 1 12x minus 6y is equal to 10. Therefore, divide the whole equation by 2. So we get 6x minus 3y is equal to 5. Equation 2. So, okay, now cancel out for y. So, multiply the LCM of equation 8 and 3, which is 24. So multiply equation 1 by 3. So 27x plus 24y is equal to 30. Again, multiply this equation by 8. 8 48x minus 24y is equal to 40. So let's cancel out. क्या आ जाएगा 65 नहीं 75 75x is equal to 70. Is equal to 70. Therefore, x is equal to 70 upon 75 is equal to 14 by 15. Now substitute x. Substitute x in 2. Substitute x in equation 2. Therefore, 6 into 14 by 15 minus 3y is equal to 5. Therefore, क्या आ जाएगा? Good. This one is 3 और ये हो जाएगा 5. So 42 by 5 minus 3y is equal to 5. Therefore, 42 by 5 minus 5 is equal to 3y. That means 3y is equal to 42 minus 25. क्या आ रहा है? Do it. 42 minus 5. 25. 42 minus 25. 17. 17. Therefore, y is equal to 17 by 3. This one is your answer. Which is your option? अच्छा ऐसा कहाँ पे गलती की हमने? सॉरी हाँ 2 आएगा. So 2. हाँ यानी 28 by 5 plus minus 5 is equal to 3y. Therefore, 3y is equal to क्या आ जाएगा हमारा 3 by 25. Sorry 3 by 5. Therefore, y is equal to 1 upon 5. Which is your option? D. Okay. This one is your answer. Now, 12 to 15. 15. 15 करवाना है. 15. 18 हो आएगा. 15 1. Okay. Sorry. Hmm. 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 Okay. Now, 15(1). 1 minus I upon 1 plus I whole square. So directly applying the formula. So 1 minus 2I plus I square. 1 plus 2I plus I square is equal to, gets cancelled. Okay. Again minus 2 and 2. 2I 2I minus 2I upon 2I gets cancelled. Your answer is minus 1. Option B. Okay. Now 16 onwards. 16. Are you able to solve? Okay. 16, 17, 18. Yes. Okay. 18. 18. I plus 18. 1 plus I. Okay. Whole raised to 6 plus 1 minus I whole raised to 3. Again, you have a formula for square. So split out 6. So we can write it as 1 plus I whole raised to square 1 minus I raised to 3. So you got again anytime 1 plus I square or 1 minus I square. If you have a 1 plus I whole square, you got plus 2I. 1 minus I square, you got minus 2I. So I can write it here directly. Plus 2I whole raised to 3. Plus this one is A minus B whole cube. So A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B. So according to that formula, 1 minus I cube minus 3I into 1 minus I. So ये आ जाएगा हमारा 8I cube plus 1 minus I cube minus 3I plus 3I squared. So 8I cube is equal to minus I cube. Please remember, I is equal to I square is equal to minus I cube is equal to minus I raised to 4 is equal to 1. Please remember all this portion. So I cube is equal to minus 8I plus 1. Again, minus I cube. Minus I. So minus I can write directly plus I. Okay. So here I write directly plus I minus 3I remain as it is plus again minus 3. Now I minus 8I minus 3I minus 11I plus I minus 10I minus 2. What do you want to find out? Evaluate. So आ गया minus 2 minus 10I, which is your option A. 4 minus 1 minute. But here I got this answer. Minus 2 minus 10I. Is there any mistake? Please check it out and reply. Yes, Om.
Ma'am, it was an external doubt, so I thought.
Sorry.
Ma'am, બહારનો doubt હતો, so એટલે મેં પછી પૂછીશ.
Okay. If you have other than lectures, कोई भी करंट टॉपिक के अलावा कुछ भी डाउट है तो प्लीज व्हाट्सएप पे मुझे पूछ लेना. ओके. ओम. क्लियर ओम? ओम. ओके. Karvi, check it out. There is no mistake here, I think. Please reply. Is there any mistake in 18.1? I got the answer -2 -10i, which is option A. Okay, so no mistake. No mistakes. Okay. Now, 18 onwards. 19 वो करवाना ही है. 19, 20 सब करवाते हैं. Okay. 19.1. 19.1. The sum of I plus I square plus I cube plus 1000 terms. Okay. Simplify करना है. Okay. यहाँ पे I plus I square plus I cube plus I raised to 4. Summation of all these 4 terms. So we get I plus -1 minus I plus 1. So 1 gets cancelled. I gets cancelled. 0. You know this? Agreed? Everyone? Okay. I plus I square. Write it here. As we know, I plus I square plus I cube plus I raised to 4 is equal to I minus 1 minus I plus 1 is equal to 0. So I plus I square plus I cube plus I raised to 4 bracket में every four term. Now your next 4 term becomes I raised to 5, I raised to 6, I raised to 7, I raised to 8. Again you take I as common. I raised to 5. I raised to 4. Taking out as a common, you got I square, I cube, I raised to 4. Agreed? Okay. Again you got this for this term. Answer is 0. So 4 की pairing कर रहे हैं हम. So you get how many terms? Divide the 1000 by 4. You got 250 terms. 250 terms plus 250 terms. 250 होगा ना? 1000. 250 terms. Okay. And answer of all the 4 terms are 0. So 0 plus 0. 250 times. So answer is 0. Got it? Got it? Your option is D. Option D. Option is D. Now go for 20. Go for 20. Twenty is बोल दे. I raised to okay. Minus 2. Now first we find out what is the I raised to 592. I raised to 592. It is possible to divide 592 by 4. Check it. 592 divided by 4. So I raised to 4, 148. So 148 is equal to 1. Same way. 590, 588. Okay. Similarly, I raised to 588 is equal to I raised to 4 power 5, 147. 1 अब 584 होगा डिवाइड बाय 4. 584 I raised to 4, 146, 1. Same way 580 होगा. I raised to 4, 1. Same way 578. नहीं 576. I raised to 4, 144. Same way. Okay, done. Now go for 590. Now I raised to 590. It will be write it as I raised to 588. Five 88 into I square. Got it? 590. That means 588 into I square. You have a value of 588, which is 1. So 588 into I square. 1 into I square minus 1. So 1 into minus 1. Minus 1. Similarly, 590. Now 586. I raised to 586 is equal to I raised to 584 into I square minus 1. Same way, you got a value of 586 आ गया. अब कौन सा आएगा? 582, 578 and 572. You got the value of minus 1 alternatively. Okay, so put the values similarly. So 5 I raised to 582 is is equal to I raised to I raised to 578 is equal to I raised to 572 is equal to -1. Substitute all the values in equation. Substitute all in given equation. Therefore, is equal to क्या आ जाएगा 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1 okay plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 okay so now minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel cancel so you got 1 upon minus 1 which is minus 1 your option is A. C minus 1. Okay, minus 2 is here. So, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Which is your option? C. Got it? Okay. Now, go for 21. Please reply in chat. 21 2. No doubt. Okay. Now 21 onwards, 21 to 25. No doubt. 21 to 25. Okay. Go for 26 to 30. Go for 25. Okay. 25. Only. Till 30. Please reply and check. Till 30. No doubt. So I'll solve 25 first. Multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3i whole square. How to find out? First simplify the bracket. So 4 minus 12i plus 9i square. So you get 4 minus 9. So minus 5. Minus 5 minus 12i. Now what inverse? How to find out inverse? Good. J1 upon J होय कर देवान. Okay. You? No, this one is conjugate. Please raise your hand. Yes, you are right. How to find out inverse? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Om.
Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
1 by minus 5 minus 12i into minus 5 plus 12i upon minus 5 plus 12i.
Didn't get. Again, please repeat.
1 by minus 5 minus 12i into minus 5 plus 12i upon minus 5 plus 12i.
1 upon -5 minus 12i ऐसे बोल रहा है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, इनवर्स
Into
ऑफ
minus 5 into
Okay.
minus 5 plus 12 upon minus 5 plus 12.
नो नीड टू, ये दिस वन इज योर इनवर्स. नाउ गुंज, गुंज,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, गुंज, say something.
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
the
Same.
multiplicative inverse? Yes, गुंज,
Yes, ma'am. Same answer.
same, this one.
Yes.
Okay, Raj,
Madam, we shall use the formula a upon a square plus b square
Yeah,
minus I into b upon a square plus b
exactly.
square.
Yes, you are right.
So,
Pause.
ma'am, minus 5 upon 13 plus I into minus 12 upon
Yes,
13.
completely, exactly. यही करेंगे. First, multiplicative, multiplicative, inverse of -5 minus 12i is equal to -5 minus 12i whole inverse. Okay, so what is the formula for inverse? A upon a square plus b square minus I. Yes, Raj. Minus I b upon a square plus b square. This one is your formula. Everyone know? Okay, so substitute the values. So what is your a? Your a is -5. Now minus 5 square, 25. Again minus 12 square, 144. अंडर रूट आएगा ना, सॉरी. एक मिनट. ओके, okay, 1/5 minus, what is your b? -12. So plus 12i upon 25 plus 144. So -5 upon 169 plus 12i upon 169, which is your option. B आएगा. यहाँ पे माइनस साइन आएंगे ना फॉर्मूला में, करेक्ट? ऑप्शन इज बी. ओके, नाउ 25 is complete. Now 30 onwards, absolute value and principal value. हाँ, 30 onwards करवाना है या फिर कैसे करना है? स्टार्ट. 31, 32. Okay. I'll give you 10 minutes to solve 31 to 35. Please check it. 31 to 36. The all 6 sums are same. Please do it and tell me. After 10 minutes, we will continue. Good. बराबर જ છે મારી ફોર્મ્યુલા બરાબર જ હતી ફર્સ્ટ વન. पूरे ब्रैकेट के बाद लिखा है, टर्म के आगे या फिर I माइनस बी लिखो, समझ में आया? It's 10:38 till 10:45. Please check it out, then solve it. Jaival, unmute yourself. Jaival.
Yes,
Jaival. Yes, Jaival. What is absolute value?
ma'am. Absolute value of 31.
नहीं, absolute value किसे बोलते हैं?
Ma'am, absolute value means modulus of z.
Okay. And what is your argument of Z?
Ma'am, it is 3 pi by 4.
How to find out?
Ma'am, argument of z means we have to find theta first, and then we have to look for quadrant.
Okay. 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 Now, go for 31. Go for 31. Yes, 31 is absolute value and principal argument of Z is equal to 1 plus 7i 2 minus 2 minus I whole square. First, we need to simplify. Therefore, Z is equal to 1 plus 7i. So, we get 4 minus 4i plus I square. Therefore, Z is equal to 1 plus 7i upon 3 minus 4i. Again, to remove imaginary part from the denominator, multiply and divide with conjugate. So, 3 plus 4i. Therefore, Z is equal to, क्या आएगा हमारा? 4. Again, 4i plus 21i. ये हो जाएगा ना? 1 plus 1 into 4i. 7 into 3. यानी 21 plus 4. 20. 21 into 4. 25. 4. 21 plus 4. So 25. Plus 28i square upon 9 minus 16i square. Therefore, Z is equal to, again, 4 minus 28. Sorry, 3. This one is 3. 3 minus 28, which is minus 25 plus 25i upon 9 plus 16. Again 25. Therefore, Z is equal to 20, 25 gets cancelled. So minus 1 plus I. This one is your Z. This one is your Z for absolute value. Absolute value is equal to under root. क्या लिखा है? X y और a b. मैथ में क्या लिखा है? X y using variable x y और a b. So a square plus b square. What is your a? A is equal to minus 1. B is equal to 1. So your absolute value is 1 plus 1, which is root 2. Now, how to find out argument? Raise your hand. How to find out your argument? Okay, Jainis, unmute yourself and tell.
Ma'am, first we write cos theta is equals to x by r.
Yes, modulus of x by r.
Then the value of x is -1 by -1 and
यानी x और y यूज कर रहा है तो x y लिखेंगे. हाँ, तो x and y. रुको 1 minute.
sorry ma'am.
X is equal to y is equal to x square or y square. Okay, go continue. Jainis.
Minus
Yes.
cos theta is -1 by √2. That is
Theta is equal to modulus of x upon r is equal to what is your x? 1. 1 upon what is your value of? No,
√2.
no. Theta कभी भी negative नहीं हो सकता. So you have to write out cos of theta is equal to mod of x upon r. Don't write x by r. Okay? 1 upon x by r. So ये
Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
आएगा हमारा 1 upon √2. Now go for sin theta. Sin theta mod of y upon,
y upon r.
so 1 upon √2 absolute value. R is equal to mod of z. Okay. So this one is your, okay. Now how to identify your theta? First, there is some condition. कौन सा quadrant belong कर रहा है? So which quadrant?
Ma'am,
How to identify quadrant?
ma'am, both value of cos theta and sin theta are positive.
हाँ. ओके, आप ऐसे कर रहे हो. मैम ने mod x लिखवाया है या फिर डायरेक्टली x लिया है?
हम डायरेक्टली एक्स.
Ma'am, directly actually.
डायरेक्ट x ही करा है. ओके, एक मिनट. एक मिनट कंफर्म कर लेते हैं. यस, ओम एंड व्रज. फर्स्ट ओम.
મેમ આ sin theta અને cos theta આપણે ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ ના કરીએ, ડાયરેક્ટ tan theta થી 45 ડિગ્રી મળી જાય છે વિથ રિસ્પેક્ટ ટુ નેગેટિવ x એક્સિસ, તો ચાલી જાય ને મેમ?
ચાલે દોડે.
હા મેમ. હા મેમ.
ઓકે, નાउ વ્રજ. વ્રજ
મેમ મારો પણ સેમ એ જ હતું.
सेम. ओके, बट मैम ने क्या यूज करवाया? mod x और mod y और फिर x y?
मैम सिर्फ एक्स और वाई.
सिर्फ x और y विथ साइन. विथ साइन आएगा ना फिर?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके.
यस मैम.
यस. ओके. x is equal to minus x upon r, so minus 1 upon √2, y upon r, so 1 upon √2. Now your cos is negative. Cos is negative.
And they will lie in second quadrant.
Cos theta, which is negative, sin theta, which is greater than 0. So cos is negative and sin is positive. Which quadrant? Unit circle. देखो, unit circle. All
सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट.
F, T, C.
Quadrant.
Okay. So sin positive and cos negative. So second quadrant. Therefore,
Second.
principal value lies in second quadrant. Therefore, second quadrant के लिए theta is equal to pi minus theta. So pi minus क्या आ जाएगा आपका? Pi by 4. So your answer is 3 pi by 4. Argument of z. Sorry, यहाँ पे argument of z आएगा. Argument of z. So argument of z is equal to 3 pi by 4. Which is your option? Absolute value is √2 and Argument of Z is 3 pi by 4. Which is your option?
Option C.
Okay, option C. Okay, thank you. Now, अब कौन सा करवाएंगे बोलो? 32. It's needed or not? Okay. 33. Not needed. 34. 34 रहने देते हैं. 34 रहने दो. 35. Directly put the values and get the answer. The polar form. Okay. Now 36 polar form. Not needed. Okay. Now 37. Look, 34. We are doing later on. Okay. Now 37. Multiply numerator कर लेते हैं चलो. Again, I'll give you 10 minutes to solve 37 to 44. We will continue after 10 minutes. Let's proceed. 36, please reply in chat. 37. Please reply. 37 answer is 1. Okay. 36. Okay, 37. 38. Please unmute और tell कि अगर सब करवाना है तो मैं line by line करवा दूँ. I get only one reply. Okay, anyone solve 38? 37, can you explain? Yes, 37.
Yes, 37 done, ma'am.
37 done. Okay, now 37. करवा ही देते हैं. Yes, or
Yes, ma'am. Modulus of I 1 plus I into 2 plus I upon 3 plus I. તો મેમ ઉપરના બ્રેકેટ પેલા ખોલવા પડશે તો 2 plus I plus 2I plus I square. તો 2 minus 1 plus 3I. મેમ I square ને -1 કરી દીધું.
okay.
Upon 3 plus I.
Mute
પછી
yourself.
1 plus 3I
Okay.
upon 3 plus I. પછી into 3 minus I upon 3 minus I. So 3 minus I plus 9I minus 3I square upon 3 square minus I square. 3 plus 3 plus 8I upon 9 plus I. 9 plus 1. 3,
Okay.
6 plus 8I upon 10. 6 by 10 plus 8 by 10I.
Okay,
પછી
mute yourself. Mute. Now, therefore, Z is equal to first हमको Z लाना है. First simplify your given sums. So क्या करेंगे? First multiply the numerator. So 2 plus I plus 2I. 3I plus I square upon 3 plus I is equal to, now 2 plus 3I, 2 minus 1, 1 plus 3I upon 3 plus I. Now convert the denominator. या फिर remain as it is. Z is equal to, as you know, modulus of Z1 upon Z2 is equal to modulus of Z1 upon modulus of Z2. Using this we get 1 plus 3I upon 3 plus I. Now, what is the formula for modulus of Z? Which is x square plus y square. Your x is real part, your y is imaginary part. So, therefore, ये सब modulus of Z है ना? Modulus of Z. So, therefore, modulus of Z is equal to, again, 1 square plus 3 square, again 3 square plus 1 square. Both are cancel out each other. You get your value 1. Got it? Now, anyone 38? 38? Please reply. Please reply. What is your real part and what is your imaginary part? Real part 0. Yes, no. Yes, no.
Real part will be this under root minus 2 will become root 2I square. Under root 2I
Yes.
square.
Root 2 I remain as it is minus.
Yes.
Okay. Now for this one. इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं I becomes I raised to 4. नहीं, sorry, नहीं लिख सकते. Because it is a I. तो
Ma'am,
यस
from minus root to
और ये
मैम, हेलो मैम, अंडर रूट माइनस 2i है, तो मैम उसमें से -1
I square.
I square.
Okay, this one is correct. यही
Yes,
बोल रहे हैं ना
ma'am.
आप? Yes. Okay. Now root 2i minus I common root 2i. Yes. अभी कौन बोल रहा था? पहले
Ma'am,
What did
only
I-
2i square will not come. Under
Sorry?
2i square. In second step, only 2i square will not come.
But for -1, we write it here I square. So at that time, 2i remain as it is. I क्यों नहीं लिखना है आपको? नहीं लिख सकते. Because square root है, तो why we write to I cube? Okay. Square क्यों लिखा है हमने? देखो 2i remain as it is. और 1 -1 के लिए हमने क्या लिखा? I square. I square. Now, अब squaring 2i, ये हो गया हमारा 2i. Suppose this one is our real part and this one is our imaginary part. So what is your root 2i whole square plus root 2i whole square. So you will get root of 2i square plus 2i आएगा. एक मिनट ना. 2i. So it becomes root of 4i. So root 2i. Something is wrong. Your answer कौन सा आ रहा है? Options match नहीं हो रहा है ना? Okay, I'll see. ये रहने दो अभी 38 बाद में करते हैं. लास्ट कल मैं देख के बताऊंगी कहाँ मिस्टेक हो रही है हमारी. Okay, now go for 39. Okay. Continue with 39. वो तो हमने कल ही करवाया था. Okay. Tomorrow we are done. Now 40. Anyone? Give me answer, please. Reply in chat. Complex number lies in third quadrant. Then conjugate lies in थर्ड के ऊपर वाला. Exactly. Second quadrant.
second quadrant.
Yes, exactly. Second quadrant. कैसे करना है? Suppose if you not identify, then how to write? 41, 40. Second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative and sin is positive. That means your x is less than 0 and y is greater than 0. समझ में आ रहा है कैसे लिखा? In second quadrant, cos is negative, sin is positive. That means your x is negative, y is greater than 0. That means अब इसका conjugate लोगे, इसका conjugate लोगे, तो कोई भी होगा तो x less than 0 रहेगा और y क्या आ जाएगा आपका? Sorry, थर्ड के लिए पूछा है ना? हाँ, तो in third both are negative. In third both are negative. X sin and cos both are negative. आपको पता है what is the polar form? Cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta. और इसको जनरल कैसे लिख सकते हैं? X plus I y. For third quadrant both are negative. So minus x for third quadrant, minus x minus iy. Conjugate of this number क्या आ जाएगा? Minus x plus iy. That means your cos is negative and sin is positive. So which quadrant? Second quadrant. Got it? और उसके आगे भी क्या करना है? मिरर इमेज आती है तो ऊपर आएगा. थर्ड है तो उसकी मिरर इमेज कहाँ मिलेगी? सेकंड में. तो your answer is second quadrant. Second. Okay, option B. Now go for 41. Go for 41. Conjugate. Go on next. We are doing yesterday. Okay, we was doing. Now go for 42. 42. Are you able to solve? 42.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes. Who's telling? Okay. Now
Ma'am.
x square plus. Yes.
hello, ma'am. Ma'am, in
Yeah.
41, you have explained this cos theta plus I sin theta. Ma'am, can you explain that again?
Sorry. Don't understand anything.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
મેમ આ cos theta plus sin I sin theta તમે જે સમજાવ્યું ને 40 વાળામાં એ મેમ
હા.
પાછું સમજાવશો?
Okay. Okay. So I explain with your old syllabus. Old syllabus में कैसा था? First of your polar form of Z. Polar form of Z is equal to R cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. How to find out your principal value of Z? Principal argument of Z. Principal argument of Z. Principal argument of Z. मैंने पहले पूछा cos of theta is mod x upon r. Sin of theta is equal to mod of y upon r. अब how to identify your theta? So step one, case one. Case one. X is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. Theta lies in first quadrant. Okay. कैसे? Suppose you get cos of theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. Sin of theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. यहाँ पे both
both are
X
positive.
and y, value of x and y is 1, 1, which is both are greater than 0. So your theta belongs to in first quadrant. Suppose ये आया. Now your x is equal to -1 and y is equal to 1. That means case 2. Case 2. X is less than 0. Y is greater than 0. तो थीटा कहाँ पे लाई होगा? Theta is second quadrant. Theta second quadrant lies in second quadrant. Okay, got it? किस कौन बोल रहा था अभी?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Okay. Case 3. Case 3. Both are less than 0. यहाँ पे x और y दोनों की वैल्यू आपको -1 मिल रही है. तो थीटा लाइज इन
Third quadrant.
third quadrant. Same way. Case 4. क्या आ जाएगा आपका? हाँ, x is positive and y is negative.
ये तो खरी होता आराम से अब थीटा पढ़ लेना हाथમાં मोबाइल ले
Vatsala, Vatsal, sorry, Vatsal, mute yourself. Okay. And y is less than 0. So theta lies in
fourth quadrant.
quadrant. Fourth quadrant. Okay. तो ये ऐसे करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे क्या बोला है उन लोगों ने? Your complex number lies in third quadrant. That means जो भी इक्वेशन आएगा, सपोज यार यहाँ पे आपकी वैल्यू ऐसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं. Z is equal to cos of theta plus I sin theta into R. So cos pi by 4, which is 1 upon root 2. I sin pi by 4, 1 upon root 2. Again, your R is also becomes root 2. So root 2 gets cancelled. So ये क्या आ गया हमारा x plus iy, which is your complex number, and its conjugate is x1 minus I. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, got it?
हाँ ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now we end session here. We will meet on Thursday. Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.